private universe. Just anything you want, anything you want. It can be your shelter, your secret paradise. It can be your spaceship, reaching for the sky. It just needs a little dreaming and doing fantasy. It's everything you want, everything. Welcome home. My home is my castle, my home is where the heart is. My home is my palace, my home is where the heart is. My home is my shelter, my home is where the heart is. Welcome home. Welcome home.